Namaskaram, dear all. Greetings and happy Independence Day wishes from Pramayas. Again, this is your Amritavahini Yagnaraman, General Secretary Pramayas, a Coimbatore based philanthropic organization functioning to promote art and music amongst you and society. Welcoming you all to be witnessing this live premiering of a Bharatanatyam dance recital on YouTube and Facebook featuring the happening dancer of Hyderabad, Shri Harimangalam Palli Garu. We welcome you, sir. We are thankful to my co-compares for this event. They are Shri Udaya Gangadhar Mummidi from Georgia, US, Srimati Shanti Mukundan from Delhi, Dinavahi Shri Lakshmipati Garu from Bhadrachalam, Miss Ramya Mohan from Chennai, Shri Kannan Govindarajan from Hyderabad, Miss Lakshmi Suresh from Noida, Miss Seema Madhu from Kolkata, in that order. We are also thankful to Miss Joshita Velmurugan from Seattle, US, Miss Gayatri Pasupati Rangan from Gurugram, Haryana, Miss Devika M. Nair from Kolkata, the enthusiastic participants of this interactive session of this recital.
Hari, as he is fondly referred to by his near and dear ones. He is the proud son of Sri A.V. Mangalam Palli Garu and late Srimati Sarojini Garu, a homemaker. Sri Hari Mangalam Palli is one of the few leading male Bharatanatyam dancers of India based at Hyderabad. Hari was fortunate to have been tutored by renowned gurus like Srimati Jayasri Garu, Shri Venugopala Shankarai Garu, Natya Kaladara Professor Pasumarthi Sri Ramalinga Shastri Garu, Faculty of Vasavi College of Music and Dance, Hyderabad. He is a proud scholarship holder of financial recognition through deep selection, meant for nurturing young talents, awarded by Department of Culture, Government of India. Performing on stage for the last 15 years plus, Hari Garu has grown to be a fine exponent of South Indian class dance repertoire.
Among the present-day male Bharatanatyam dancers and teachers, having consistently grown to reach and sustain a pivotal place of recognition and immense contribution, Sri Hari Mangalam Palli has a natural flair and grace for this complex classical dance style. He has nurtured and trained himself to remain physically fit and agile while continuing perform and teach too. Through sheer diligence, sincerity and dedication, the soft-spoken Hari has found a great place in the hearts of the present generation of Bharatanatyam dancers, students and Rasikas alike.
Hari has been a recipient of many awards for his untiring contribution to Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi dance repertoire. Since the year 1998, he has performed in and around the Twin Cities, far and wide, and in many of the major music and dance festivals of relevance and importance. Participated in numerous group presentations and dance dramas, both in Kuchipudi and Bharatanatyam styles at various venues, and thus garnered a rich experience and wide repertoire. Memorable to these events is the special episode of Muvala Savadi, a dance-based program curated by Hyderabad Doordarshan Kendra to mark the occasion of the 600th Jayanti of Saint Composer Annamacharya held in April 2008.
He was chosen to be part of Guinness Book of World Records certificate program to perform at Kuchipudi Tillana in a group of 2,850 participants at GMC Balayogi Stadium, Gachibowli, Hyderabad, as part of the second International Kuchipudi Dance Convention under the aegis of Silicon Andhra, in the immediate presence of Her Excellency Srimati Pratibha Patel, the then President of India, the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, and other distinguished guests. This memorable event was conducted on the red letter day of 26th December in the year 2010.
He is also a classically trained singer with remarkable proficiency in Karnataka Sangeetam, vocal, with training sought from Vidwan Srimati M. Seshamani Garu and Vidwan Sri N. C.H. Parsardi Garu at Vasavi College of Music and Dance, Hyderabad. With a strong artistic bent of mind, young and unstoppable, Hari has worked hard and acquired a plethora of cultural qualifications too. He initially did a certificate course in Bharatanatyam from Potti Sri Ramulu Telugu University, a government-run institution of Andhra Pradesh. Subsequently, he obtained a PG diploma in public relations from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's College of Communication and Management, Hyderabad.
Hari is a postgraduate diploma holder in television production from University of Hyderabad and later did his masters in performing arts from University of Hyderabad through Sarojini Naidu School of Performing Arts, Fine Arts and Communication. He also did a certificate course in singing Annamacharya Samkirtanams under Annamayya Padakokila Padma Shri Dr. Shobha Raju Garu from her renowned organization Annamacharya Bhavana Vahini, Annamayyapuram, Madhapur, Hyderabad.
On the academic front, having taken a great liking for English language and literature, Hari Garu went on to achieve a master's degree in English from Osmania University, Hyderabad, National English Language Testing Services from CIEFL, Hyderabad. He also successfully underwent proficiency course in English from English Language Teaching Center of Osmania University and a short-term computer course in data entry from Andhra Pradesh Productivity Council, Hyderabad. That is really amazing and worth emulating. And since past 15 years plus, he has been serving as a trained graduate teacher in Delhi Public School, Secunderabad, teaching dancing activities.
Hari Garu is happily married to Dr. Srimati Swarna Mangalampalli, who is also a busy performing musician and teacher, training so many of the aspirants of the Twin Cities. The artist couple is raising and training their children too, in these classical art forms, along with their other students. In fact, they consider themselves lucky to play parents and mentors to so many of their students. Pramayas is happy featuring this unique artist for its Natyam repository for the second time. Yes, earlier Hari Mangalampalli Garu was invited by Pramayas as a special guest artist to perform at the Ethnic Hall of Shilparamam, Hyderabad, to mark the annual day celebrations of Pramayas, and he left a great impression behind. While thanking you all and wishing Happy Independence Day once again for being online with us to enjoy the interactive Bharatanatyam dance recital. Namaskaram. And over to Sri Hari Mangalampalli, joining us from Hyderabad. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
It gives me immense pleasure to be performing as part of the special Independence Day performance organized by Pramayas, and this opportunity given to me by Sri Minjur Yagyaraman sir. Today I will be performing few traditional numbers. Besides, on the occasion of Independence Day, I am also presenting a few items in relation to patriotism. I will be starting my performance with the traditional Pushpanjali, invoking the blessings of Lord Ganesha, besides the audience, the gurus, and the gods. Pushpanjali in Nataragam and Aditala.
मोदक हस
रूपा महेश्वर पुत्रा विष्णुविनायक पाद नमस्ते पाद नमस्ते पाद नमस्ते पाद नमस्ते पाद नमस्ते नमस्ते
The next item is Natyarambha Shlokabhinayam, followed by the traditional Alaripu.
अगजानन पद्मार्कम् गजाननम् अहर्निशम् अनेकदं तं भक्तानां एकदन्तम् उपास्महे एकदन्तम् उपास्महे विष्णुशक्ति समत्पन्ने विष्णु शक्ति समुत्पन्ने चित्रवर्णे महीतले अनेक रत्नसम्पन्ने भूमि देवी नमोस्तुते समुद्रवसने देवी पर्वतस्थन मण्डले नाट्यं करिष्ये भूदेवी नाट्यं करिष्ये भूदेवी पादाघातं क्षमस्व मे क्षमस्व मे
தை தையும் தத்தாம் கிட்டத்தக்க தக்க தை தையும் தத்தாம் கிட்டத்தக்க தளங்குத்தும் ததிங்கின தத்தாம் தாம் கிட்டத்தக்க தை த தை கிட்டத்தக்க தாம் தாம் கிட்டத்தக்க தை த தை கிட்டத்தக்க தாம் தாம் தை தத்தை 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 தாம் தாம் கிட்டத்தக்க தை தை கிட்டத்தக்க தாம் தாம் கிட்டத்தக்க தை தை கிட்டத்தக்க தாம் தாம் தை தத்தை 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 தாம் தாம் கிட்டத்தக்க தை தை கிட்டத்தக்க தாம் தாம் கிட்டத்தக்க தை தை கிட்டத்தக்க தாம் தாம் தை தத்தை 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 தா தஜம் சரிதா ஜம் தரி ஜம் தரி தை தரி கினதும் தக்கதரி கினதும் தக்கதி குதரி கினதும் தாம் 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 தையும் தத்தாம் கிட்டத்தக்க தக்க தை தையும் தத்தாம் கிட்டத்தக்க தாம்.
The next piece is Shankata Nashaka Ganesha Stotram, the 12 names of Lord Ganesha. Well, the next occasion for us of the Independence Day happens to be Ganesha Chaturthi. To commemorate this occasion, I am presenting Sankatanashaka Ganesha Stotram.
श्रीगणेशाय नमः। नारद उवाच प्रणम्य शिरसा देवं गौरीपुत्रं विनायकम् भक्तावासं स्मरिन् नित्यं आयुः कामार्थसिद्धये।
गौरीपुत्रं विनायकम् भक्तावासं स्मरे नित्यम् आयुः कामार्थसिद्धये।
प्रथमं वक्रतुण्डं च एकदन्तं द्वितीयकं तृतीयं कृष्णपिङ्गाक्षं गजवक्त्रं चतुर्थकम् लम्बोदरं पञ्चमं च षष्ठं विकटमेव च।
सप्तमं विघ्नराजेन्द्रं धूम्रवर्णं तथाष्टमम्
नवमं भालचन्द्रं च दशमं तु विनायकम् एकादशं गणपतिं द्वादशं तु गजाननम्।
द्वादशैतानि नामानि त्रिसन्ध्यं यः पठेन्नरः न च विघ्नभयं तस्य सर्वसिद्धिकरं प्रभो।
लभते विद्याम्
धनार्थी लभते धनम्
पुत्रार्थी लभते पुत्रान्
मोक्षार्थी लभते गतिम्।
गणपतिस्तोत्रम् षड्निर्मासैः फलं लभेत् संवत्सरेण सिद्धिं च लभते नात्र संशयः। अष्टभ्यो ब्राह्मणेभ्यश्च लिखित्वाय समर्पयेत् तस्य विद्या भवेत् सर्वा गणेशस्य प्रसादतः।
इति श्रीनारदपुराणे सङ्कष्टनाशनम् नाम श्रीगणपतिस्तोत्रम् सम्पूर्णम्।
Dear Sir, Namaskaram. I am Gayatri Pasupati Rangan from Gurugram. I am learning Carnatic vocal as well as Bharatnatyam and did my Arangetram under the able guidance of Kalashri Guru Jai Shankar Menon. Sir, I wish to know that when did you start showing interest in dance? At what age? Was there any particular instance? Thank you, sir. Namaskaram.
Gayatri Pasupati Rangan from Gurugram. My childhood and when did I start actually dancing and was there any instance was the question. Well, I was very small at the age of 6 maybe. I was with my parents living in Kolkata as my father's job was a transferable job and he was working there in the hotel. I used to dance for any classical songs which I used to hear on the television way back in 1980s, I should say. So my interest was always dancing, listening whenever there was a song played, and I used to get up and just dance. My parents did notice that I had good sense of rhythm and I can surely learn an art form. I was mostly in the school days as well, in my class 1 and 2, or even before that. I was into dancing whenever there was a cultural program. I was always there dancing or playing some part or the other. Even I had taken up the impersonation of a female dancer when I was very young. That is how I was into dancing. The movies Shankarabharanam and Sagar Sangamam have been very fascinating memory because those were the songs which I used to dance a lot during the 80s. I am now presenting a shloka bhinayam on Lord Rama, Sri Raghavam Dasharathatmajam Aprameyam, which describes the beautiful appearance of Lord Rama and describes how he had conquered over Ravana and brought back his beloved wife Sita.
श्रीराघवम् दशरथात्मजमप्रमेयम् श्रीराघवम् दशरथात्मजमप्रमेयम् सीतापतिं रघुकुलान्वय रत्नदीपम् सीतापतिं रघुकुलान्वय रत्नदीपम् सीतापतिं रघुकुलान्वय रत्नदीपम् आजानुबाहुम् आजानुबाहुम् अरविन्ददलायदाक्षम् अरविन्ददलायदाक्षम् रामम् रामं निशाचर विनाशकरं नमामि रामं निशाचर विनाशकरं नमामि
Tulsidas Bhajan, Sri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajmana, which extols the grace, the brilliance, the beauty of Lord Rama, and each stanza also describes the story of Lord Rama's life and how at the glance of Lord Rama, not only mere human beings but also the gods and the rishis are so blessed and fortunate to achieve salvation. Sri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajmana.
पीतमानहु तडितरुचि शुचि नौमि जनकसुतावरं श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजुमना भजु दीनबन्धु दिनेश दानव दैत्यवंश निकन्दनं रघुनन्द आनन्द कन्द कौशल चन्द दशरथ नन्दनं भजु दीनबन्धु दिनेश दानव दैत्यवंश निकन्दनं रघुनन्द आनन्द कन्द कौशल चन्द दशरथ नन्दनं श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजुमना सिर मुकुट कुण्डल तिलक चारु उदार अंग विभूषणं आजानुभुज शर चाप धर संग्राम जित कर दूषणं सिर मुकुट कुण्डल तिलक चारु उदार अंग विभूषणं आजानुभुज शर चाप धर संग्राम जित खर दूषणं श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजुमना इति वदति तुलसीदास शङ्कर शेष मुनि मनरञ्जनं मम हृदय कञ्ज निवास कुरु कामादि खलदल गञ्जनम् इति वदति तुलसीदास शङ्कर शेष मुनि मनरञ्जनं मम हृदय कञ्ज निवास कुरु कामादि खलदल गञ्जनं श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजुमना श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजुमना
Dear Sir, Namaskaram. I am Devika M. Nair from Kolkata and I am a student of both music and Bharatanatyam. I wish to know from you how it is to be a male dancer and guru in this field and to also be the guru of many students of different levels. If you could please touch upon this. Thank you, sir. Namaskaram.
Thank you for the question, Ms. Devika and Nair. For me, as a male dancer, I've been fortunate enough to receive training from gurus when I was in school and as well when I grew up later in life. The path has been very smooth and I didn't face much hurdles, I should say, in the process of getting training or doing the Sisharikam with each guru. So even achieving qualification as well, I had never faced a kind of problem. It was all elders and the guru's blessings that I could pass through each step in my learning smoothly. So I thank all my gurus about giving me training to such an extent that the nuances of learning has been quite worthy. When it comes to talking about the training students at different levels, Mostly my training with students has been with the beginners level. So I have mostly trained them in the basic Adavu patterns, and then teaching them the intricacies of Saushavam and how you maintain your discipline, self-discipline while learning with your teacher, following instructions, practicing back home. And then I've also trained students with regard to giving examinations. So I keep training students for the All India level Gandharva Mahavidyalaya exams, which is based in Mumbai. So it has been mostly the first two levels as the exam pattern says. So it has been quite interesting. It was also a self-learning for me. Learning and relearning happened during this process of teaching. So I've almost been teaching since last 20 years now, and also made few students give small performances in the Twin Cities. So that was really, the outcome was very satisfactory, I should say. I would like to add one point here. During my process of being a male dancer and training, I have always been among the female dancers learning. So that was something I should say interesting, or also learning and interacting and communicating, and also trying to know the do's and don'ts of how to behave and how to be in such circumstances. It was at times demanding and challenging also to understand people when it was a kind of a group performance. While training, I have always been training female dancers from the age of 6 to 20, 25, 30. So mostly it has been only small girls and young girls and married women as well. So always had this wish that I should see a male dancer also getting at least training for some time. Hence, even that wish also got fulfilled through a couple of male dancers who could come and learn. But the demands of work and job, all these keeps the male, the dancers interested to catch up with work, and then trying to juggle between learning and then also fulfilling the duties of their job. So few had to leave midway and only focus more on their jobs. So that is a kind of a balance, or I should say up and down faced by most of the male dancers. So I have been into teaching, into school teaching and also into dance teaching. So my path has always been into dancing. So that is how I could carry it forward, or still taking it forward, teaching. Thank you. The next piece, what I am performing, is the national song Vande Mataram, an instrumental version coinciding with India's Independence Day today. Here is another question coming from Joshita Velmurugan.
Dear Sir, Namaskaram. I'm Joshita Velmurugan from Seattle, US. Myself and my sister, Miss Kirania, are students of Pramayas. I also aspire to become a Bharatanatyam performer. I wish to know whom all you trained with, which all are the cities you performed, and of them, which one do you consider most memorable? Thank you, sir. Namaskaram.
Hello, Joshita. Thank you for the question. Joshita, I have started my proper dance training in Bharatanatyam when I was in school in Visakhapatnam. There was a Tamil auntie who used to teach few students. I got to know through some source in the colony that the auntie was teaching. I'm sorry, I don't remember her name. So that is how I started my actual Bharatanatyam training. And then there was a huge gap because we shifted from Visakhapatnam in the 80s. By 88, I was in Hyderabad. When I was in school, during all the process, all the years of school, I was mostly participating whenever there was a cultural program. My participation was surely there. Through school, I could participate in singing competitions, dance programs, performances, inside and outside school as well. 97, when we shifted heart of the city, it was in 94 we shifted, and then 97, Vasavi College of Music and Dance was started, established by the Vasavi Educational Society. The first principal of the college was Srimati Swati Somnath, she herself being a Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi guru and performer. It was then that my path again started, and I got initial training in Bharatanatyam in learning few items and the basics with Swati ma'am. Then after her tenure as a principal of the college, then we had Srimati Dr. Maddali Usha Gayatri ma'am. It was with her that I continued training, and that was my foray into also performing Kuchipudi characters. Prior to that, I was also performing Kuchipudi characters in Swati Somnath ma'am's dance dramas. So my training in both Kuchipudi and Bharatanatyam used to happen that way. At the same time, parallelly, we had a Bharatanatyam lecturer in the college, Sri Vedugopal Sakre, with whom I had a very proper training in Bharatanatyam. He had taught me all the nuances of basics and also a couple of items with him as part of the certificate course exam. So after 4 years of dance training, I could successfully complete my certificate exam from the Potti Sriramulu Telugu University, Ram. Besides dance, I was also training in Carnatic classical vocal music because the kind of childhood I had was listening to Dr. Mangalampalli Balamurali Krishna, as I also share the same surname. Very fortunate to have the same surname. So my interest in music was also through my parents, because they used to attend kacheris. Even in Kolkata, whenever the South Indian performing artists used to come and give concerts. Very vague memory I have. I don't remember whose concerts I did attend, but at home there were umpteen number of audio tapes at that time, which had given me a chance to listen to them, and also gramophone records, school tapes of all his most of his compositions. So that was how I was very much influenced, and my upbringing was all listening to Dr. Mangalampalli Balamurali Krishna. I had a couple of instances also being very close to him. Later in my training, after training from Srimati Swati Somnath, then Dr. Srimati Maddali Usha Gayatri Garu, and then Sri Vedugopal Sakre. Through him, my interest and my desire to achieve qualification also moved ahead when he suggested Professor Pasupathi Ramalinga Shastri Garu's name in the University of Hyderabad. So I was very keen to give my scholarship exam, Young Artist Scholarship by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Department of Culture, Government of India. So it was way back in 2000 that I approached him with him I could interact and convince him to take me as a student and also to train me for the scholarship. So that was how my association with Guruji started, and there was no looking back from then. The scholarship exam later followed my master's degree in performing arts from University of Hyderabad. It was way back in 2002 to 2004 that I could complete successfully my master's degree in performing arts. During this 2 years of my learning there, the experience of learning from various gurus was a treasure for me. Professor Anuradha, who was the professor there, then dean, she had given me opportunities to be part of her dance dramas, and also I was fortunate enough to attend to most of her lectures as well. Though it was most of Kuchipudi, but the commonness of classical dance was very much paramount in their lectures, in their seminars, whatever I have attended. So Dr. Aruna Bhikshu ma'am, with whom I got associated, performing various characters in her dance dramas, trilogy, and various other events as well. And of course, with my Guruji, Sri Pasumat Ramalinga Sastri Garu, I had travelled to Tirupati, to Bapatla, to Bombay, performed in few of his magnum opus dance dramas like Shashirekha Parinayam, Ramakadhasaram, Gajananiyam, later on Tripadi Ganga, the story of Ganga's birth onto the earth. So during the process of learning with my Guruji and also visiting various places, my most memorable event with my Guruji being part of this dance drama was visiting Kalakshetra in Chennai and performing Gajananiyam, a Kuchipudi dance drama for the birth centenary of Srimati Rukmini Devi Arunde in the auditorium of Kalakshetra, which also has a grand history. So that was my most memorable performance, I should say, for my life. Yes, I'm blessed to be performing there in the Kutambalam there. The Tiranga, a beautiful poem which describes the struggle and the tryst with destiny to achieve independence. This poem in English is by the team Being Human.
I was born in 1947, made out of hand-spun cotton on a charkha, dyed in the three colors of courage, peace, and the earth. I symbolize independence. You see, sometimes I wonder if people have forgotten me, forgotten where I came from. Sometimes I wonder if people understand that I'm not an outcome of an overnight skirmish. There was a journey that created me. A journey of suppression, a struggle to overthrow a foreign domination, a fight of bureaucrats and social workers, warriors and leaders, a fight that got even the common man to raise his voice. Swarajya ha mazha janma siddha hakka hai. Freedom is my birthright. Freedom is not a flower that blossoms overnight. It is a mountain created by waves and waves of molten lava rising in rivers from the mantle and spreading across the crust, then cooling and hardening over so many millennia, shaped, tempered, eroded, attacked by the wind and the rain and the heat and the cold. Freedom is a clay that you can mold, and it is up to you what you create. Freedom is the choice to create. It is a decision to be made. Freedom is the absolute truth. Freedom is the child sitting in a classroom asking question after question after question. It is the teacher unafraid to say, I don't know. It is the writer seeking exactly the right word, the painter seeking the perfect color. Because in truth, there is valor. Freedom is to aspire, It is a village child hitting helicopter shots from his backyard in pursuit of becoming the next great cricketer. It is a boy watching pirated videos in Benares, dreaming of becoming the next big filmmaker. It is a doctor quitting his job to go to the neighboring country and help victims of an earthquake rebuild their broken homes. It is a college boy raised in a patriarchic society holding a candle in his hand in a plea for justice of a female rape victim. It is a rape victim going on national television to spit in the face of stigma. It is a stigma that is being questioned by a simple kiss of love. It is love between two people of different cultures fighting against all odds. It is love between two people of the same anatomy fighting against all odds. It is love sometimes losing, but never giving up. It is love, you see, that has created me, an emblem of the right to choose who it is you want to be. A long-haired, denim-wearing, pot-smoking poet writing poems about peace and the stars, or a sari-clad engineer making idlis at home and sending an orbiter to Mars. The choice is yours. Because you see, free will is a state of awareness. It is only as limited as you make it and as infinite as the confines of your mind. Free will is what you find not when you look around, but when you search within. When you ask yourself not how much freedom you receive, but how much do you make of the freedom that you take. Because at the end of the day, India is just a country, mere lines on a map, and I am just a flag, a simple piece of cloth. We are nothing but mere ideas, reflections of your passions. We are nothing but you, fighting for freedom anew. We are reaching for the skies, but it is you who will touch them, bless them. It is you who will be blessed by them. So rise, because if every decade were counted as an hour from the stroke of midnight when we first awoke to life and freedom, we are now embracing the sunrise.
The concluding piece which I am performing is written and composed by Mayuram Vishwanatha Iyer, Jayati Jayati Bharata Mata. It is in Sanskrit, set to Khamas Ragam and in Tishra Nadai.
जयति जयति भारत माता बुध गीता 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 निखिल मतावन निरता सत जग सुविता जयति जयति भारत माता बुध गीता निखिल मतावन निरता सत जग सुविता जयति जयति भारत माता बुध गीता निखिल मतावन निरता सत जग सुविता जयति जयति भारत माता जयति 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 सकल जीव समगा साधु साधु निविदा 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 अखिल लोक भरिता परमानंद जयति जयति भारत माता बुधगीता निखिल मदावरण निरता सत्य जगदुदिता जयति जयति भारत माता जयति जयति अगणित गुणशीला अगणित गुणशीला अति दयालुवाला अगणित गुणशीला अति दयालुवाला अगणित गुणशीला अति दयालुवाला अगणित गुणशीला अति दयालुवाला प्रकटित गुणगाला पतित प्राणलोला प्रकटित गुणगाला पतित प्राणलोला जयति जयति भारत माता बुधगीता निखिल मदावरण निरता सत्य जगदुदिता जयति जयति भारत माता जयति 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 जयति
I would like to thank the team Ramayas and Minjur Yagyaraman sir for giving me this memorable and wonderful opportunity to be performing for you all Rasikas on this occasion of Independence Day. I thank each and every viewer who has been patient enough to watch my performance today and bless me. I owe my humble pranams to my elders, my parents, my gurus, and all my well-wishers who have been guiding me, motivating me, inspiring me to learn, relearn, and do my best in this field of classical dance. Namaskar.